Jam everyone, welcome to today's channel. Welcome to today's channel. Today we'll be doing a live trading on one of the pairs in future, right? That's what we'll be doing today. Okay, we want to trade live today on KuCoin Futures. And if you should check the description above, you will definitely see this is it. And before I do that, you have to download the KuCoin. You have to download the KuCoin so that, welcome Danny, welcome, because that's what we are going to use today. Okay, I want to do live trading on 10,000 CAD USDT perpetual on futures, right? That's what we are going to do today. We are going to do 2,000. I want to do a trading on 10,000 CAD USDT perpetual, right? I want to do analysis here together with you, and you see how it goes, right? So once you sign up in your KuCoin, today you don't really have time to waste. Once you sign up your KuCoin, this is how it's going to look like. Okay, this is how it's going to look like. This is how it's going to look like. Come to futures, select. You can tap here because most especially once you sign up, you are going to see, you definitely see a, how do we call it? No, it's definitely set on default BTC, right? BTC is always the first one you're gonna see. So after that, you are going to type here 10,000 cards. That's what I'm going to use. 10,000 cards USDT. This is it. Once you type 10,000 cards USDT, what's wrong? $10,000 USDT. We click on the chart, these two bars here, right? Now, here it is. This is the chart. You make it look in the landscape so that you guys can see what is going on. Alright, this is it. This is it. Now this chart. Now this chart is a this chart is occurring in a downtrend, right? You can see it very well. The chart is now you have to study the chart. Let's go to 4 hours time frame. Check what happened. Have you seen it? Yeah, the market was here. You can decide to check this. This one happened on. See what happened here. This was our support, right? The market was in an uptrend. Have you seen it? Was in a downtrend, and once the trend line touches 3 candles, just know that 1, 2, 3, 4. Know that your analysis is confirmed. Okay? Know that your analysis is confirmed. This is it. After that, what happened? A uptrend took place from here. After price reaches that, you had another uptrend here, right? You see? We have another uptrend here. So this is it. Now check what happened again. The market time down. This is where you really see the way the market is going. Uptrend and another downtrend took place. Have you seen it? Have you seen it? Yeah, it breaks down, right? So you go to 1 hour time frame. The support is about to form here. Okay, the support is about to form here, and this is also a massive downtrend, right? This was the highest. Is one of the this is it. Listen it. So market is bound to repeat itself, right? Market is bound to repeat itself. So if I should take this as my resistance, market is bound to repeat itself, right? So you don't just enter the market here. You don't just enter the market here. You don't just enter the market here. You wait for it to, maybe the market is testing, right? So now, if this market I'm using it. I'm using the 30-minute time frame. I'm using it. So now, this is it. If the market retests at this point of the resistance, maybe it's testing to see a strong resistance here, there's a possibility that the market is going to bounce back. Okay, there's a possibility that the market is going to bounce back following the trend line analysis. And if you should check the moving average, have you seen? Have you seen? Have you seen? Now I want to use this to the blue moving average here means once it passes a certain time, you want to check RSI. The market is falling right here now. But as you see, the blue line here, if this is going to test here again, if it's going to test this block here, there's a possibility that the market the market might there's a possibility that the market must close this other candle then move up above here, right? If it tests it here, then we can decide to take our position right here. But you know, for you to enter a long position from here, we have to wait for the price to reach. If we see any green bullish engulfing candle around here, around this place, which means that there's truly a change in character, right? Once we see a green bullish engulfing candle here, and we know that, oh yeah, this should be our entry, right? That will be our entry, and we can now decide to set our take profit from here. Right? You can decide to set our take profit there, and we bring our stop loss to below this zone, below this. Okay, in everything you do, make sure your stop loss is this, right? But if the market fails, okay, Yeah. It is a downtrend. Let me reply to her. It is a downtrend. I'm just trying to give a setup for bullish market and bearish market. That's what I'm trying to do, right? That's what I'm trying to do. I want to test some other coin, but do analysis and see which one really play out. Okay. Currently now the market is going down, and we're gonna do 2 trade over here. That is for the long trade. Okay. Now for the bearish aspect of the trade is, if for example this trade breaks here, you can't draw more than that. But if the trade should break this zone, okay, if the trade should break this zone, if it should break this zone that is being painted purple, then know that we're going to look for a bearish reversal pattern right there. Okay, that the market will continue to go down. But as long as the market is still in this triangle, we have to wait for a confirmation before we place any trade, right? So concerning this other one market also, if you are someone that trade in area of consolidation, which I would think so, why I said that this market is going to go up is because of this single start I just formed here. Okay, this pin bar, there's a pin bar here. That's what gives me a strong feeling that the market is going to pump up, right? But if you're a sniper, you can also take a trade from here. You can also take a trade from here if you're a sniper. The market is going to short right now, so you can take a short trade from here from 0.04 to 0.039. Would have made small profit if you're a sniper, but I want to do that. We have to wait and see what is going on right now. Okay, that's all we have to do. We have to wait and see what is going on. So we have to wait for the market. You see, And I can also assure you of this method I'm using right now. We can check it out. If you are what did I just do? I have to draw it again, farms. Sorry, I click something. Have you seen it? We can't just and I said if the market should we wait for it to break this line, you see, you're going to come back to retest. Have you seen it? So there is a possibility of that trade, right? If this should take place, then this yellow position should be your buy zone, right? That should be your buy zone. That's it. Then you take your stop loss below here, because once there's a change of character, it will be difficult for the trade to go down, right? It will be difficult for the trade to go down. So that is just it. And this one is and this is it. That's the trade we are expecting. But if we should break this resistance here, that means if there's a break, but if this trade should break this resistance, right? If it should break this resistance, they will know that there's gonna be a dump, right? It's going to calm down. So let us wait while we watch the trade. We watch the way it goes, how it goes. Okay. Let's keep watching. Market is timing down. It's testing. Once the market breaks 0.03 resistance, 0.03 support, we'll look for a short position from there. But while it is like this is my conviction for my own trade. Let's watch the trade. It's fine. It's fine. Let's keep checking. We've seen it. Now, if you check this market, this is almost the exact thing that wants to happen. Have you seen it? We are back testing. Have you seen it? Yeah, it didn't back test. It came back and the price moved from 0.05 to 0.08. So that is the same thing that's about to, and you see this pattern, it's mostly found here. So let's keep waiting. If you are gonna see another one, we see. The market is in ranging market, so it's not good to enter the market now. Let's wait for a break of structure. That is the only thing you can do right now. That is the only thing you can do right now. I said I've been sleep that night when you call me. I've been sleep. So that is just it. Let's keep watching the chart. All right. You can also decide to do this on other coins, other volatile coins, and you apply this specific process, okay, and you gain massive profit from it. So let's wait for it to form and finish to retest. After retesting, we don't know what to do from there henceforth. So that's just it, guys. So that's just it. That's it. The trading is occurring. The trading is occurring. The same thing here. Market was just repeating itself. Check what happened. Have you seen it? We waited. Now look at what happened. There was a break of structure here. It didn't just buy in this zone. We waited for a break of structure, which was here. Which was here. Have you seen it? This should be where you should buy. Right? This should be where you should buy. This should be where you should buy. And have you seen it? That should be the buy zone. Now guess what happened to the market? The market time up to here. The market time up to here. So if you would have entered that price and set your stop loss below here, you see this is just as a ratio of 1:2. One is to 2. So this is still a massive profit, but here the market is trying to test, right? In this our case, the market is trying to test that resistance zone. Have you seen it? The market is trying to test that resistance zone because there is also a hammer 8 candlestick pattern here. A hammer 8 candlestick pattern. So which also signify a bullish reversal from here. The sellers are trying their best. This is it. The sellers are trying their best to push the market downward. Well, the buyers are also trying their best to push it upward. So the small doji that is formed here gives you a sign of what? Indecision market. So the market right now is consolidating. So like I said earlier, if you are a good sniper, you would have sniped from 0.004 to where you take profit. That's it. So let's wait for the market to spike up, then we keep trading. Okay. That's it. We are waiting. The market is still in the area of consolidation before we can execute that trade. And I love, using it because it helps and far better than the rest. So that is it. That's it. Today we are dealing with 1,000, 10,000 unit cut USDT perpetual. That's what we are trading. So, wow, ETH breaks above. Are you a sniper? Market is consolidating. You wait for it to reach this yellow section before we plan any other thing to do. So that is just it. You can decide to check another token. Let's check out the ETH that just broke 2000. Have you seen the market was retesting? You see that it creates a new higher low. Once it creates a new higher low, you have in your mind that this is a massive trade. This is massive rate. This 15-minute time frame. Have you seen it? The market is trading down right now. The lower low is 3055. Well, this one is 3199. Once it break that place, we know that is our new low and higher low. Sorry, this is our new higher low. Then from there we can look for a bullish reversal to take place. Nevertheless, we're not dealing with ETH now. We're dealing with 10,000 CAD. So let's check. There is a 1 hour time frame. So that is just it. You see, it's creating a bullish engulfing candle. Let's see if it's going to break the doji over here, right? If it breaks this doji over here, then we know that something is about to take place. So just bear with me.